Hi, my name is David Volk. I'm a San Antonio personal injury lawyer. This video is going to talk about dealing with the other driver immediately after a car accident. Now, it may be a little uncomfortable. You've just been rear-ended by somebody. It's possible that you're injured and feel pain immediately. The person that rear-ended you could be injured as well. My experience has been, generally speaking, if somebody has caused an accident, a lot of times they are going to be sympathetic. They're going to hopefully be compassionate and hopefully not be rude. But I will tell you, I've seen a lot of horror stories in my career. So I can think of probably 5 or 6 occasions on cases I had where somebody was rear-ended, and when the client went to actually go and make contact with the other driver, the driver took off. Unfortunately, that's a crime if they do that. You need to be worried about your safety first and foremost. So the first thing that you want to do before you make contact with the driver is make sure that the police are on their way. A lot of times drivers that cause collisions will try to talk you out of getting the insurance company involved and getting the police involved. Number one, the reason that you have insurance and the reason that drivers have insurance is for car accidents. So you shouldn't be trying to cut some kind of side deal with the driver that rear-ends you, because ultimately at the time that you're hurt, you don't know the value of your case and you don't know the person's true intentions on not getting insurance involved. So first and foremost, make sure you're in a safe place. When you make contact with the driver, be polite. Don't be angry. Don't threaten. You may be frustrated. You may be hurt. It may have really been a very, very negative experience, but do your best to get not only photographs of the other person's car, but also you want to get their information, their name, their insurance company, the policy number for their insurance card. If the police get there fairly quickly, the police will facilitate this exchange. But I will tell you from my personal experience, I was in a small fender bender a few weeks ago, and the police took over an hour to get there. And so me and the other driver made contact with each other. We exchanged information. We did it in a polite way, in a respectful way. I definitely assessed my surroundings though and made sure that I wasn't in any physical danger when I exited my car. The other thing is, if somebody has rear-ended you or caused an accident, don't accuse them of anything. Don't threaten them. Don't yell at them. Don't give them dirty looks. Just wait for the police to be there. Give them a calm and clear story as to how the accident happened. And like I said in some of the other videos I've made today, take very detailed pictures of the accident scene. In my experience, I think people get nervous when they have to call their insurance company, and they may tell a white lie or a fib when they call their insurance company about how the accident happened. So, just be on guard about that. Be polite, be respectful to the other driver, but no, look, with their negligence, they have injured you and damaged your vehicle. So you got to keep them a little bit arm's length, and don't just trust anything that they say. Now, in the end, aside from calling the police, going to get medical care, the next call you should make is to a San Antonio personal injury lawyer like us. The reason you want to do that is after a car accident, we need to investigate it and make sure that the accident facts are the way that they happened, and do everything possible to build a case that not only compensates you for your injury, but also your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and any other damages that you have. In order to get started on your case, it's as simple as picking up the phone and calling us at 210-377-1414, or find us online at lawyer210.com.